Welcome to Fret Reps.
If this is your first time with this series, you need to start with part 1. If not, we're going to get started very soon. 2 more strings to go. We're working on the B string. This string starts with the 2 in the 1, 2, 3 part of the sequence, continues on to the 1, 2, 3, 3, and then moves on to the start of the sequence. Just follow the white frets. These strings feel really different than the others because they are so thin. The hammer-ons may be a little harder to get a clear note. Remind yourself to really slap that finger on the string to get a loud tone. The picking may feel a little different as well. Find the most comfortable spot and pick angle. Be sure to experiment with different ways to hold the pick for better feel and tone. Okay, ready to go? Let's do it. In the graphics area above, you'll see the name of the first note in each hand pattern. Say it out loud on every beat. Downstrokes on the first string only. Hammer on the other 2. Now upstroke the first note and hammer on the other 2. Now pick every note in an alternate up-down stroke, but put your attention on the first note only, syncing it to the metronome. Now you're going to pick the string in a staccato style. Good job. At this point, you should have a good handle on the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 sequence. You should recognize when the 3 pattern plays twice, which will let you know that the sequence is about to start over, which also lets you know where the A note is. If you complete this series, even if you did each video just once, you should be noticing a difference in your playing. I have more videos and shorts coming up that break down many techniques. Also some videos coming soon on the very basics of starting to play the guitar and how these labels will help make it easier to understand.